Working out feels really good, especially the post workout, the endorphins. I don't know why I stopped working out, why I took such a long break, but working out is so good for your mental health. And every time I do it, I'm just so grateful to have this body and to be able to move it so efficiently and not have any injuries and everything. I did my morning workout. I'm on the way. A cold breeze after workout, and I put some calm songs. This makes me want to appreciate life, the trees, the blue window, the white trails, everything. And the post workout glow, look at that. The skin and everything feels so nice. I feel so grateful. And I hope to make long form videos on YouTube. I don't know what they are going to be about. Maybe I'll just talk to the camera. Mr. Beast said that you have to make 100 shitty videos before you make one proper one. So I don't know what the context of the video will be, but I will be talking to the camera constantly in long form. I'm planning not to do tutorials or book reviews. I don't know what I have to offer to the world, but I'm just going to talk to the camera and just hope things pick up along the way. I don't know. I'm creative. I'll definitely figure something out, and I do want to become a YouTuber, man. I want to become a YouTuber. I would love to become a YouTuber, even if it takes. I'm going to put in 2 solid years of consistent uploading, and then see where it goes. Yeah, 2 years. And more than saying, I want to be doing it, because words replace action. It's something I learned, because words replace action. Because if you keep talking about something, you probably are not going to end up doing it. So I just want to upload this and do it every day. To make one long form video, or weekly once. I'll try to do more than once. I'll just talk about my life basically. That's all. I'm not going to make it anything special. So right now what's going on is, today I'm starting a new job as a membership consultant in a gym, where I'll be helping members sign in, show them around the gym. And in my off hours, I'll have leads. I'll be calling up people. Sir, would you like to join our gym? Come see, blah blah blah. And I'm quitting my job as a trainer here because the pay is not consistent, and I can't live with inconsistent things, and the schedule is also not fixed. So I would like a very rigid schedule. ये टाइम पे उठो, ये टाइम पे सो, और बाकी के टाइम पे बस अपना वर्कआउट करो. So I know when to turn my mind off work. So today I have to tell this gym, this is FitMap, I have to tell them that I am going to be quitting here, and have the notice period as quickly as possible, and resign as quickly as possible, and then join the new place, and hopefully I enjoy the new environment, have fun there, and rest of the time just focus on working out, focus on making content, and just do good, be a nice good boy, figure out creative things to make my content work, make something that people will enjoy, or something I like to make. I don't want to be making it from the point of place where I am only making content just to appease people, because that's what lately the content has become. And I want to make something genuine, something that I would like to see. I would like to make myself, just express myself. That's all I want to, just express myself. Yeah, and I'll see how it goes. I'll make long form videos as long as possible, talk to the camera as much as possible. Eventually what I want to do is travel and talk to people. That is my dream, you could say. That's what I want to do as a living. Workout, yes, yeah. Telling people about working out and spend my life traveling to new places, because something that I really want to do more than getting married, having babies, having this life, blah blah. I want to be traveling more than that. So I don't know how I'm going to achieve that, but let's see how this goes. Thank you for watching. If you have been watching, I shall upload another video in this week. I'll start with two videos a week, and I'll just talk about my life basically. So wish me luck for my new job, and I'll see you in the next video.